Hello, my name is Don Trader. Got your website up here. I specialize in getting websites ranked to the top of Google, flooding you with all the searches for roofers in Tulsa. I see Seed made your website. Great website, by the way. But just wanted to show you the traffic that you might be missing out on. There's a free tool. Put your website in here. Looks like you're getting about 28 clicks or hits per month. People finding your website. And scroll down here. So like here's a big money word, Tulsa roofing. There's about 1,300 people searching for this. You're ranked 26 on that's the third page of a Google search. There's another paid tool that I use. I threw your website in here. And pretty much the same thing. So your own name, yeah, you're ranking on the first page here. So you did good on branding your website. But then, Tulsa roofing, 300 people per month. You're on the third page. Let's see, Tulsa Roofing Company, second page. Roof Repair Tulsa, third page. So there's hundreds of people, 1,000 people searching for your service in Tulsa. I can help you get there to the first page, to the top 3. That's where these people usually do their business with, 80% of them. So let me know if you need help. I can give you some free tips and tricks here. So when I analyze your website with this tool, let's see, so your title, that's actually pretty awesome right there, Tulsa roofing. But then I'd probably brand yourself CandS roofing. Meta description, perfect. Got Tulsa Roofing Company in there. But then the H1 tag, I'd also have, locally owned. Maybe put Tulsa in here, Tulsa Roofing Company, just to keep it very consistent. Tell Google exactly what you want to rank for. Just to tap into that 1,000 people that are searching for you. That should move you up. There's a bunch of other ideas that I have. I can send you more info, but I want to just keep this video short for now. And again, my name's Don Trader. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.